Hi, I'm Natasha DeCosta from Startup Cycling Now. Today I'm going to give you 5 benefits of gardening with your children during this COVID time. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you want to be noted on lots of small things that you can do with your children at home during lockdown. So point number 1, gardening is fun. It's fun. It's considered fun by everyone. So even though if you're teaching them math, fractions, anything, it's still fun. Point 2, so learning in the garden is actually a melting pot of all your subjects combined. Believe it or not, but you really have geography, you have science, you have physics, you have math, you have critical thinking, collaboration. Really, what more do you want? Point 3, now more than ever, when the entire world is glued on one screen or the other, break away and garden. Even if it's on your tabletop, windowsill, balcony, terrace, or backyard, do garden with your kids. Point 4, gardening utilizes a lot of energy. So if your kids are high on energy, garden. Not only will you get vitamin D from the sun, you'll also get vitamin B12 from the earth. That's the soil, and a lot of us take pills for that, right? When hello, we can get it for free. Point 5, gardening has a calming effect on everybody, adults, children, everyone. Let me share with you a small story here. Every year when we take the students of Our Lady of Perpetual Succor School, Chembur, up on the terrace for a garden tour, we always have someone who is breaking a twig or a flower or a fruit, and we try to reason out with them that was so not required. But 3 to 4 months down the line, we've been working with these boys. They've been toiling in the garden, and we give them the harvest. We're giving them herbs, we're giving them fruits, we're giving them veggies, and guess what? The first question that they tell me is, Miss, can we grow these vegetables again? And I'm like, we just harvested it. You need to go and eat and make merry. And they're like, no miss, we want to grow this. That's what gardening does. It changes you from within. So the same boys who were breaking twigs, breaking plants, breaking fruits, those same children are talking about how they can regrow and nurture their plants. That's deep. That's why you should garden. If you have any more comments as to benefits that you have faced just gardening, do comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.